Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the benchmark test 3 times continuously in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. Yes friends, this is the question which has been requested by few of my subscribers asking me to make a video, and recently I started to include this kind of 3 times extreme testing on plenty of other smartphones. In case if you want to watch those videos, make sure to check the playlist which I have created friends. Try to go to the playlist and you can actually find the first playlist which is the benchmark test. You can actually see here friends, recently uploaded videos on 3 times continuously doing the benchmark test in the iQOO 7 device, Realme GT Neo 2, Realme X and Max and plenty of other smartphones. You'll be able to get to know which phone is actually maintaining really very good stable performance with low temperatures. That's what my main idea of making this kind of extreme testing. And during this process, I'll try to include the 100% battery level, and I'll try to include this high performance mode. Using with high performance mode, how much benchmark test we can actually get in the Oneplus Nord 2 continuously for 3 times of time. Let me try to open the benchmark test. And right now, as you can see, this is a test which has been here. And this is a test which I did do before, okay, before completing, I think maybe today, a couple of hours back, I did do the testing. And right now I'll try to disconnect the cable and I'll try to start the test at this moment. The test has been started successfully, and you can see the temperatures right now, it's only 30 degrees, right, in the beginning, okay. For every test 1 ending and test 2 ending and test 3 ending, we'll try to take the average, what's happening with the temperatures. So right now it started with the 30 degrees, and what will be the temperatures at the end of the complete video. We'll try to see whether this phone can actually increase above 40 degrees or not. Again, I'll be back after first test ending. So right now, as you can see friends, this is the end of the first benchmark test. Yes, this is the first benchmark test, and the temperature did increase up to 35 degrees Celsius, 35.8. It's kind of close to 36 degrees, but it did not reach 35.8 degrees Celsius. And immediately after this test, 36 degrees, as you can see, after the test 1, the phone did reach, and I'll try to take the screenshot, and immediately I'll try to start the next test. And battery dropped only 1%, not bad. As you can clearly see friends, only 1% the battery got dropped. Let's see what will be the overall highest temperatures at the end of this second benchmark test in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So right now we are reaching second benchmark test of ending. Let's see the temperatures, what's happening. 37.6. So before it was close to 36 degrees Celsius, right now it's 37.6. So you can definitely see there's an increase in the temperature. So end of the benchmark test 2. So 37.6 degrees Celsius right now, as you can clearly see friends. And we'll try to check exactly what's happening with overall benchmark score for the second time. I'll try to take the screenshot, and again I'll try to continue. Sometimes this kind of last animation will get freeze. So what I need to do, I need to just open to the multitasking and again open it back. The video will continue again. Sometimes it did happen in the Oneplus Nord 2 using this kind of high performance mode. So it will take some time. And we got the score about 6,55,000 second time of testing. And let me to continue, take the screenshot and go back and start the test again. So 37 degrees, 37.6 and 37.4 degrees. So this is the second time of testing I did finish, and this is the third time. Let's see friends, in this third time of benchmark test, how much scores and how much high temperature the phone can actually increase and how much battery will decrease. All these details we'll try to take into the consideration. So make sure to watch the playlist friends. The playlist will be clearly helpful for you to know which phone is really stable. The most stable performance phone is Realme GT Master Edition, which is very very stable. If you want, you can check out that video for more information. Again, I'll be back at the end of this benchmark 3 result. So right now, as you can see friends, we are reaching end of the third benchmark test continuously doing in the Oneplus Nord 2, and temperature did increase up to 38.2 degrees Celsius. In the beginning it was 36 degrees, 37 degrees and 38 degrees Celsius, and finally we got the score about 6,53,000 as you can see, and the battery dropped to 90% exactly at the end of the testing. And right now let me to show you all the screenshot from the beginning. I'll try to show you one by one. So let me to go back. Yep. So this is the starting test which I did do. So test 1, after the test 1, score was 6,57,000, test 2 6,55,000, 6,53,000, not bad. Only 2,000 got decreasing for every test. So overall from starting to test end, it decreased by 4,000. That's not at all bad at all. It's kind of really good. That's fantastic. And next thing, let's concentrate on the battery level dropped 1%, 5% and 4%. Overall 10% drop during these 3 times of benchmark test. Temperature increased by 6.5 degrees, 3.5 degrees and 39 degrees Celsius. You can see the highest temperatures. and 40.2 degrees Celsius. As you can see, the highest. And next thing, let's concentrate on the CPU scores. 179, 179 and 178. That's pretty consistent. GPU 233, 234 and 234. Wow, that's increasing. The GPU started to increase little by little, as you can see friends clearly. Not bad. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this kind of stable performance using with the high performance mode in the Oneplus Nord 2. Temperature did not increase above 40 degrees, not at all. It did not increase. So maybe after the recent update, what has happened is that the CPU and GPU got slightly kind of underclocked. It's not overclocked. Let me to explain you what is the scenario. So this is how it is. So after the recent updates, so if you try to use the high performance mode, you can see the CPU clock speeds, they're not utilizing it 100% always. Before the updates, everything used to be at 100%, like overclocked every time, non-stop if you try to use the high performance mode. During that time, I used to get the benchmark test up to I think close to 6,70,000 also the phone did reach. So maybe because of this underclocking, the score is slightly decreased, but don't worry friends, the temperature is not increasing higher and the battery is not draining much faster. These two things are really great. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.